So I'm always super excited when I receive the Ipsy bag. Jump right into the video. By the way, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz Beautystyle, and let's go ahead and get started. And if I'm looking like this, is because you know I do the Ipsy in a try-on style. I hope you enjoy that. This month for September, I have this beautiful bag, and of course I love September because it's my birthday month. And look at this beautiful pink. I love this color. This is what the bag looks like. And can we talk about this here? How adorable is this? Not made like the best. I'm not saying it feels like super high quality, but it doesn't matter. It's really cute. So here's a close-up. Just says Ipsy here. Let's see what we have for this month. So let's pull out the card. It says find your light. September's all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within. Of course, here we have all the products we are getting. So the first product we have here, we're gonna start with, and this is by the brand which I've never ever heard of, Haru, and it's the Wonder Honey Green Aqua Balm Cream. This lifestyle inspired brand uses superfood ingredients and natural fermentation technology to formulate their unique design products. This moisturizer uses green tea, honey, and hyaluronic acid to plump and repair. Apply a pea-sized amount of moisturizer onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. This is a Korean brand. This is a 0.5 ounce. Nicely sealed, and the color is beautiful. Look, it matches my nails. See, I love Korean beauty, by the way. This reminds me, because of the green tea and stuff, the video I just reviewed from Purely's. Check it out if you love skincare videos. Not much of a scent. I have nothing on my face because I know we were gonna get this. Let me know what did you get this month too, if you have received it already. I love anything that's like aqua, like water cream like that. I think it would be like really good for like oily skin. Now I'm not feeling any tingling, any burning. Doesn't really have a scent. I don't feel like I look oily. First impressions, I like it. Quickly fast forward some of this product we're going to have an eyeshadow. Let's do the rest of my face. I'm just gonna put some face makeup. Whoa, this foundation is looking so light. Like, did I get a 10 or something? Oh my god. Before I continue, I just wanted to tell you, moisturizer feels good. There are some moisturizers that feel like really heavy, and I wouldn't recommend like putting them on top of a foundation. It feels really good. It's super, super lightweight. So dark. I think it's because this foundation is so light. Why would I pick this foundation today? Did receive a brush, which is always very exciting. This is the brush I received from the brand Farah. I have received the brushes from this brand before, and let me tell you something. So this is the Farah brush Contour 218M. Does come really nicely protected like this. This is made in China. Contour with this brush, dip it into powder or cream product and tap off any excess. Suck in your cheeks and blend product into the hollows using quick circular brush strokes. So I will use this to like apply the bronzer or to contour. When I was looking at this, I thought I was like completely crazy, which is not weird. But I thought, looking at the bristles, that they seem like kind of like blue. I was like, really? I've never had such a thing. And then I started reading, and it says, brand's goal to create luxurious, high quality, vegan and cruelty-free products with midnight blue bristles. So I'm not crazy, see? This soft contour brush blends your powders, creams, and highlighters evenly and easily, and looks fab in your brush jar too. I know it's probably not picking up on camera, which sucks, but it is like a midnight blue. It's awesome. Where's the other Farah brush that I have received? Here it is. This was in another Ipsy bag. 1010? This is like another contour brush. So there's a difference. You can kind of see the blue there. To contour, I'm going to use this Tarte Park Avenue Princess. And I usually contour like with a really like fluffy brush. This is more like And it's really soft. It doesn't feel harsh. But this is just like a really like chiseled look. It's good to do the nose too. I know it's not small, really small like that, but let's see. It is extremely soft. I'm gonna go like this. For blush, you know I'm using one of my favorite blushes in the world, which is from Milani Minoso. The next product we have here is an eyeshadow, so let me prime the lids. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I really want to buy the color Eden, just because it has that like white tint. I love that. I'm obsessed with the Anastasia eyeshadow primer. Oh my god, I received the sample and I have to buy the big size. I'm really not excited to receive eyeshadows. It's like individuals, like a palette person, and usually the shades they send me are like very golden and all like the same tone. But when I saw this one, oh, I was excited. Why? Because it's a cool tone. This is by the brand Phase Zero Makeup. Never heard of them. This is a satin eyeshadow in Mush Boom. And it says, want no fuzz makeup to use every day? This brand has you covered with versatile on-trend products like this silky smooth cool gray eyeshadow. Oh, that sounds so good. Mush Boom goes on sheer and can be built up easily for a dramatic smoky eye, plus the pigment stays put for hours. Prettiest packaging I have received from like Ipsy for individual shadows. Look how pretty this is. Have a nice mirror, and this is the color you get. Let me just put like an all over the lid color first. Just a little bit of brown for transition. Since we're applying this color all over the lid, use this nice big brush, and this is from Elizabeth Mott. This is the all over shadow. Can you look at how adorable that is? Let me also swatch it. Look at that. Oh, that feels nice. Gray with a little purple. You gotta give it a thumbs up for coming with a little mirror too. Definitely can be an everyday color. Try to clean this in the bottom. So we have yet another liquid liner. It's by the brand Eyeshadow Cosmetics, and this is the name Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Liner. Need an inky black liquid liner that won't budge? This quick drying waterproof smudge proof formula features an ultra precise synthetic felt tip that dispenses just the right amount of pigment so applications are totally fuzz free. This is what it looks like. Just nice plain and black. Pretty. And this looks like a full size, but I may be wrong. This is a 0.07 ounce. I'm not the best with felt tip, really. I'm not the best at eyeliner, period. Oh, okay. I will apply this. I won't be talking because it's hard enough as it is. So let's try the wing now. This is the hardest part for me. I'm a lefty, so this side is so hard. Next, I'm so excited for this. We have an Ofra lip gloss, and this is a collaboration that Ofra Cosmetics did with Madison Miller, lifestyle vlogger. I have watched her video. She's so amazing. Rally for Riley is the name of the lip gloss. Lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller gives us highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. So this is not the only thing they collaborated with. They have more, but this was the only thing that he sent me, and I couldn't get anything on the add-ons because the site was down. I was so upset. I wanted to get a bunch of Ofra things. Frosty Gloss leaves lips with a hint of shimmer and doesn't feel the least bit sticky. Swatch it first. Oh, and this is definitely a full size. 0.21 ounces. The packaging is really pretty. The color looks amazing. Watch it first. And it smells to die for. It smells so good. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Oh, it's just perfect. It's just the right amount. It's not super glittery. It doesn't feel, you can't feel the glitter at all. Favorite thing from the whole bag, from the 5 items, was the Ultra lip gloss and also the liner. It does take me a bit of time with like felt tips, but I like it. I really like it, and I can't wait to like use it more and see. But smudge proof, waterproof, that's what it claims. So thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.